Welcome! This tutorial shows you how to customize the asterisk or dash symbols on checks in ChequeSystem software. By default, ChequeSystem adds asterisks before and after the check amount. However, you can control whether these symbols appear on the payee name, the amount in words, and the numerical amount. Let's see how to adjust these settings. First, go to Main Menu Settings and choose Options. This dialog box lets you customize the symbol placement. You can choose to add an asterisk or a dash to the payee name, amount in words, and amount fields. For each field, you can select whether the symbol appears before and after the text or only after the text. Let's add dashes after the payee name and amount in words, and dashes before and after the numerical amount. Notice how the check now reflects these changes. As you can see, the dash is now displayed after the payee name and amount in words. The numerical amount field now displays dashes before and after. That's it. You've successfully customized the symbol placement in your checks. Thanks for watching.